Hello all, I am here. I need to prepare for it because today's session is going to be a little artistic. So I also need to be artistic for it. How are everyone? Hi Aviral, hi Aryan. I have seen Aryan's comments in the live chat before. It was overwhelming. I'm so blessed to have all you in my like group. I'm really great. Aditya, hi Vishal Tyagi ji, how are you doing? Hi Samiksha, good evening. Let's start today's session on this note. Start करते हैं. Let's start आज की class and Ganesh. Yeah, I know this is Ganesh. Hi Bhavesh, Aviral, Aryan, Samiksha. Let's start today's class. I am really glad to see you all. Also, टॉपिक सिमिलर है आई गेस, बट क्या आपने ये खुद से सोचा था कभी कि आप अगर एक ड्राइंग बना रहे हो, ड्राइंग ऐप बना रहे हो, तो उसमें बहुत लिमिटेड कलर्स होते हैं हमारे पास एमआईटी में. हाउ टू मॉडिफाई दैट ड्राइंग ऐप? टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न दैट थिंग. And how's your Sunday going? Mine is absolutely best because of you students here. Okay, let me share my screen. And I want to tell you that we are going to add a color palette in our drawing app. So जिसने drawing app किया है, that's well and good. Otherwise ये मैंने अपने paid batch में तो जरूर करा रखा है. Yes, Aviral, the MIT batch has started. आज 4th class थी MIT batch की. इस सेशन से पहले मैंने MIT का बैच ही पढ़ाया था and it was the 4th class. So they are doing absolutely great. Shrija and Saina and all. Let me share my screen and let's start doing the work. Okay. Now see. अभी हमारे पास क्या है? We have this drawing app. ठीक है, ड्राइंग ऐप है हमारे पास. लाइक ये हमारे पास कैनवस है और ये हमारे पास ड्रॉ करेगा. कैनवस का कलर, लेट मी डू इट वाइट फॉर नाउ. ठीक है, और लेट्स सपोज मैंने यहाँ पे एक बटन ऐड किया रेड कलर का, जो मेरे को एक्सेस देगा रेड पेन चूज करने का. एंड आई कैन डू द सेम थिंग फॉर सो मेनी कलर्स. बट हाउ मेनी कलर्स? Let me show you. If I go back to MIT and I just show you how many colors I can add here. Oops. ज्यादा ही मैग्नीफायर हो गया. Let me cross it. Okay. Like here, there are the colors. So if I just show you how many colors I can add. So I can add this black, white, red, pink, orange, yellow, green, blue, magenta, gray, dark gray, black. And then I can customize it. Now I have taught this thing. I have taught you how to generate color from a RGB value. If you don't know that, so we can open a new website which is HTML color codes, and this is beautiful website. I just like to use this one. Now what we can do, we can have slide the colors and we can take the RGB value, red, green, blue, and we can take this value and we can make any color we want. If I want to make this color, that's a cool color, we can make it by using this RGB value and writing it in here. Okay, I can make a list and write it here. But there are a lot, like many infinite colors. कितनों के लिए मैं बनाऊंगी? So what we can do? See, there is this palette, no? So what if we make a palette like this? What if we make a palette like this? है ना? मैं क्या करूंगी? जहाँ पे भी मेरा माउस जा रहा है, I'll just take that color. So what we need to do? I can simply take this palette only. मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ? I can copy or screenshot the palette and I can just paste it in my MIT. I can upload this picture in my MIT and then I can take colors from this one. Start करें कैसे करना है? Okay, first of all I want you to download a palette like this. There are a lot of palettes. So you can download a palette like this. You can download a palette like this and upload it in your MIT. So I'm going to do that thing only. I'm going to upload it from here. Okay. So this is uploaded in my media, but where to upload it actually? Where to show it on my screen to get it? Now we can do one thing. Yeah. अच्छा मेरे को बताओ, let me ask you one question. What is the default value of RGB and what that value gives us? Which color that value gives us? जो RGB की default value होती है ना 255, 255, 255, वो भी कौन सा color देती है? Tell me in the charts. Let me see who will answer me first. Hi Vatsar, you're here. Nice to see you, man. Ajay, I can't include you on Discord. I have seen many things. Yeah, Aviril. Okay. White, Aviril. Nice. White. अभी ये किसी को confusion होती है what color it gives us. Let me tell you a little trick. See, अगर कोई भी color नहीं होगा तो अंधेरा होगा, right? So if there is no color, that means the color is 0, 0, 0. That will be blackout. There is no color. That means blackout. It's a black color. But if we mix a color the same proportion, which is 255, 255, 255, it will give us a white color. Red, green, blue. तीनों को same amount में mix करने पे हमारे पास white बन जाता है. Okay. Aryan, I got started from the starting. You can rewind the video. Okay, ये हो गया. Now canvas पे हम draw कर सकते हैं and I can click on this button to select a color. But how many colors? इसका हम solution निकालने वाले हैं. उसके लिए हमने अभी palette upload कर दी है download करके, right? I have uploaded it. You can see it from here. This is my palette. अब यहाँ से मैं color ले सकती हूँ. You can also upload any palette, any color chart. That's on you. Now let's do one thing. I want to have one more canvas. Okay, because canvas से हम ये magic create कर सकते हैं. In the canvas, I want to take this canvas and drop it on my screen. Now see, I want to make it bigger, obviously. So I'll make its height and width, let's say 70%. But can you see it is going outside of my screen? Why? Because I have given this first canvas 80% of my phone already. So how can I give 70% to the another canvas? Its solution is that I can make my screen, which property use? Scrollable. Yes, I can make my screen scrollable. I can check this option right here. I made my screen scrollable. And then I can scroll down and see there is one more palette right here. Cool. So now I can appear it. But when I can appear it, I can disappear it right now. First, let me have the background image as this chart, color chart we uploaded. It came. Okay. Right now I can make it invisible. And when to make it visible? When we click on another button. Okay. When I click on another button, which will make this thing visible and invisible. Okay. तो अभी ये वाला जो button है, ये हमारा ये काम करने वाला है. To select color. Select color and then my chart will appear. How do you like this idea? अब इतना बड़ा chart हम ऐसे ही नहीं ला सकते. We can't just visible it on our drawing page. We have to make it visible and invisible on a button. Okay, I made this button. Okay, if it's hard for you and because you're new, then you can go back to my MIT sessions and learn some basics. Okay, MIT, what's all you need to learn some MIT basics first. Okay, so when I click on this button, then my canvas should appear. So let me code for this. This is my button 2, and when my button is clicked, then I can rename this button. Okay, it is better for me. Rename it as a color, choose color. That's it. I can rename it whatever I want, however I want. Just I need to know what is this button doing. I can name it anything with any spelling. When I click this button, I basically want to canvas to be visible. So I go to the property and I will set the visible property to true. Visibility will be true on this click. But when I click it back, I need to do something. Okay. So now it will be true. Okay. It will be shown. But how to select a color? For that, let's have a label. Okay. Let's have a label here. And let me just keep it here by having a layout, because I can't have in a vertical motion so many components. So what I'll do, I'll just make them like this. I want a label, and this label will do one thing. Let me just erase the text, make the height maybe 10% and make the width maybe 30%. Let's see what we get here. We get this box right here. And I want to make this box color to white in the starting. Why we are doing this? Let me tell you. ठीक है, ये हो गया हमारे पास. यहाँ पे इसका टेक्स्ट है, टेक्स्ट कलर. Now we are going to work on this. ये जो हमारा canvas 2 है, let me rename this as well. Rename this canvas 2 as a color chart. Color chart. जो हमने अभी include किया है. Okay. Aryan, tell me what are you not able to understand? I'll explain it. Okay. So now look at it very carefully. What we are going to do. We have included this canvas right here. Okay, this is the canvas. अभी मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं जब भी जहाँ पे भी क्लिक करूँ, वो वाला कलर इस लेबल के बैकग्राउंड में आ जाए. Let me explain you again. This is the canvas palette, and I want wherever I click, if I click on this color, I want this color on the background. I want to fill this box with this color when I click on it. So click में कहाँ कर रही हूँ? Canvas पे. This is my canvas. So I need to go to my canvas and I need to ask canvas to give me that background color. So I'll just get the background color. Okay. And from where I'll get this background color? From where I am touching it. So touch में जहाँ कर रही हूँ उसका location मुझे मिलेगा इससे. ठीक है? I'm touching on the canvas, and this event will give me the exact location of where I am touching it. So I'll apply this here, but I have to set it somewhere, right? So background color मेरे को किसका लगाना है? I want to set the background color of this label 1. So let me give to the label 1. I'll get a set block and I want to set the background color. Very simple it is. That's it. That's it. That's it. The code. सिर्फ इतना ही कोड है. तो मैं जहाँ पे भी क्लिक करूंगी वहां का बैकग्राउंड कलर आएगा और वो लेवल पे सेट हो जाएगा. ठीक है. सेकेंड थिंग वी कैन ऑल्सो डू कि ये जो सेलेक्ट कलर है इसका हम नंबर्स भी चेंज कर सकते हैं. ओके. हाउ? We can do that very simply by adding few more blocks. What we want to do? We want to set this button. This is a button, right? So we can set the text of this button, choose button. Set the text of this choose button to numbers. Numbers कौन से जो RGB के है. Let's suppose मैंने ये color select किया, तो इस color का RGB value क्या होगी? This 217, 130, 111. तो हमें इसी पैटर्न में RGB वैल्यू लाना है. So how we can get that thing is from here only. We can have we need to make a list. Okay, so we'll first have this select list item from the index, and then we need to split the color. अभी देखो color हमें तीनों एक साथ मिल गया, and we need to split this color. Okay, and we need to get the same thing, so I'm copy pasting this right here. Here, attach it here, and index 1. How many index are there? 3. So we need to make the same thing for all of 3. 1. Okay, so we are making it as a text, so we need to add a join block right here, and we need to add a comma right here. Why? Because we need to have this in this format. Cool. Same thing we want to do. First, let me include more strings in this join block, and let me do the copy paste for here and here, and for here copy paste for here. That's it. Okay, I can remove the last one which is not needed. That's it we need to do. Okay, so now right now wherever I click, it can convert. If I connect it to my phone, and if I can show you right on my screen, so it will be visible to you how I can make this work. Let me first include it. Now this is the all of the code you can include, and tell me if you want to have something else. That's it for today. Now tell me about the doubts you are having. Oh, I need to do one thing. I need to change this index number because there are 3 numbers. Na, to humne ye theek nahi kiya. Okay, that's it. These are the things we can include. Okay, that's it. Now tell me what are the doubts which are left. Canvas color chart to true, and I can have this one, and I can make it scrollable. Simple. So this is going to work as fine, and there is nothing else you can include. You can also include one thing right here, that is you can include one more sprite. Okay, you can include one more sprite right here on this canvas, inside this canvas. Why? So that we can drag the ball and we know on which one we are, right? So we can drag it and we can have the ball, move ball to simply this current X and current Y, or this connected. Now मेरे को बताओ, what are the confusion here? This is right, simple code we have written to select a new color from the palette, and this is going to work wonders for your what we can say, for your drawing app. Okay, and you can modify it anyhow you like. Now I want you to make this app. I want you to tell me your reaction while using it, and that's all for today. Also, I'm going to come with another session next week, Saturday or Sunday. So basically we are going to have classes on Saturday or Sunday, and I'm thinking to make a superb सा game जिसके हम ads देखते रहते हैं ना. We can make that. Okay, Also, Python. It's a big announcement right here. If you want to learn Python, so we can also like start the batch of the Python. मुझे कुछ queries मिली थी हमारे Telegram group पे, and obviously you can also join our Telegram and Discord channel which is in the description below. आप वो भी join करो. वहाँ पे मैं बहुत हमेशा notification डालती हूँ when I'm going to come live or when I'm going to announce a new batch. तो आपको सारे updates वहाँ पे रहेंगे. All right. So this is it for today. Let's introduce Python course batch. So you can fill out the form which is in the description for the Python course. Okay. Okay. Bye bye. See you next week. Nice to see you all.